Hey, what's happening, guys? So today I'm going to be unboxing some Apple Airtags. The bottom here is my address, hence opening it sort of upside down. In the first box, nothing here. I ordered these yesterday off the Apple website, so you can see 4 tags. Usual stuff behind here. Sorry for the dogs. They want to go outside. What else? I've added custom. So these got custom engravings on, which I'll show you now. This is all the usual rubbish, usual stuff. I'm traveling, so because I'm going to be traveling, I wanted to get AirTags for each of my bags. I thought it would just be useful. Also, one moment. I got this for my backpack, which is actually a dog collar, but on this one of the straps that I've got, it could fit in here, and I thought to permanently attach it. So one of the AirTags are going to go in here. So first up, we've got the little car engraving. I'm not going to pull that out because as soon as I do, it turns on. But it came out quite cool. So that's for the car key. I lost my other one. So that's going there. Then next up, got a sort of smiley face. I don't know if it's such a smiley face, but you get the idea. I'm not going to pull it out again. I'll set it up later. Then next up, we got a little ghost. Bought this on Halloween day, so I thought it was fitting. Again, just for one of my bags. And then a little snake. And that's the engraving. So yeah, these are the AirTags, or Apple Airtags. It was the 4-pack. Bought it yesterday with the engravings. I purposely just put one engraving on. I figured it would come quicker, which was literally like next day. I did pay for the next day, but I didn't do custom because in the past when I've done custom, it's taken quite a while. Hence why I just thought keep it simple. But yeah, that's unboxing a AirTag in 2024. If you guys have any comments or questions, drop it below. I'll happily help. And yeah, this could be quite cool. Otherwise, have a good one.